Hey everyone, Paul Sebastian from Relax RV. We have a 2017 Thor Ace 29.4, and I've been getting a lot of questions about this divider curtain. I'll put links down below on where you can purchase it. So what I did was I mounted it to the ceiling. I think I have 6 screws. The rail was pre-drilled, so I just marked it with a pencil, drilled a hole, put in a plastic anchor, and that was it to get it to adhere to the ceiling. So it comes in 2 pieces. You can see the join there. So the long piece, just keep it full length. The short one, cut it so it goes to the wall. Now they have stops in here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a stop. We don't need it. We're mounted against the wall. I didn't realize that until I hung it, so it doesn't really matter. They don't get in the way at all. So I measured from one wall to the other wall. Somebody had asked, how does the over the cab bed work with it? And as you can see, there's no issues. It goes right in front of the over the cab bed. Now, where the slide is, what we do is when we're bringing in our slide, we'll retract the curtain, bring the slide in, and then extend the curtain, and it will fit right there. When we're driving, if it's closed like this or extended, we have clips, and we just clip an end of the curtain to it, because otherwise it will ride back and forth. There's no tension on the rollers at all. It's one finger extends it. When it's fully open, we have a Velcro curtain holder tie back that we wrap around the curtain to keep it in place as we're driving. All right, I hope that helps everybody. You have any other questions, let me know. And check out my podcast, Relax RV. Have a good day.